Yes guys, welcome to the Xavier channel, and now I'm gonna play Roblox, and every time I'm clicking, I'm getting stronger. You guys can see. Let's do this. Damn, look at this guy's foot, bro. Look at the foot. Look at this, bro. Oh snap. Yeah, look at this. Look at the drip. Woo. Guys, ini dari aku lagi. So, yun friends. Saya menaik. Let's call the conference. Okay. Alas saya organic yes the people. Bersama selatan. Okay, let's go. Woo! Let's get some wins. Let's get some wins. Some wins. Okay. Akan ada sebuah itu the dumbbell bar. With the dumbbell and I give us 2 strength. Let's do this. Here's my player. When I come on level 3 to begin. I feel I'm gonna do it. Let's go. It was a bit thermal. Now it was a bit stronger. Rather than better muscles a bit straight now. Now it was made onto the little face mask. I'm gonna They play win for Scarlet Darwin. Absolute Ego, Ultra Instinct, Divine, Phenomenal, Shadow, Psycho. Yeah, it was fun. Look at this fun. They get the 5 strengths, guys. 5 strengths. I want easy. Maybe easy so that I can that the focus. Perfect fever. I will fever. Level fever between the dan Kung igit pa, ilan the fever. Fever no from cheaper wins sa ating kurang bomba clock. Yo, look at that, bro. Bomba clock. Away mo tayo na ito may stand in Kura Farm mo ito. Kaya tayo na yun. Kumgit yan. Sana yun. Damn. I think it was suffering. My strength is almost... Yo, my strength is 1.20k, bro. K. Okay guys, sorry ya tadi kecurangan kelasan ya. 6 menit. Jadi bayar kilo kini kumla sada apa-apa. Kedayan. Kay PFP zone. Meron reboot, meron tingkay, reboot. Meron tingkay, reboot, and sama. Yang masih reboot akan kita lihat awal. It's all right. Okay, let's go. God damn. Look at that physique, bro. Look at that physique. Damn. Okay. First punch. Woo! Let's go. One shot. Let's take that cut video. One shot. Oh, one shot that does take out you. Oh no. No. Okay. Madeleine goes 25 wins. Let's go. What a piece.
Oh, ya lo pienso.
Di ana dang sagam. Tayo di drown sedang. Sorry for that interruption, guys. Sige kuya. Basta dyan mo siya kasi interrupt talaga may oras sa ato. Sorry for that. But okay, Lipanos, level 9. Let's go. Bam! Bombo clap. Oh, it's an oras too full, guys. It's an oras too Wait. I think I can reboot. Mientras baita, amalas baita. Kabut. Karena kita kenal titik lebih saja. Oh no, win strength. Okay, wait a minute. 20 strength up. Setan mat. Terus pintu. Lihat pintu. Bisikin dari bawah. Shoot. Yes. Wait. Kapit. Wait, nothing can see. Damn. Legit ko na nila. Let's go. Naya sa drone din. Ay, buti. Siren kita. What? May na po yung naman sa akin. Sura ba ka na? I like it. Ito may travel. Set may kita niyan. go. Into ka na Into. Easy level apples. Easy level apples. Let's go, boy. Let's see some muscle there. Come on, guys. I've the beam up. I've the beam up there. Boy, let's go. 1K, nothing to me. 5K, let's see. Also nothing to me. 15K. How can 15K be a mid today, bro? It's a 1C. 50K. Okay, because we have 2.8K in the era. 50K, bro. Let's go buy us some into the plane, wings and everything. Okay, all. Yay, we can right okay. Let's go for fire there. There's a two words, please, okay. What is the word? Here, this strength of 50 strength. Yes, come on. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go get it up. 75 to rebirth, guys. Bye na. It's your game. It's your Roblox. It's a live stream dito. Kailangan pang gabi dito. Lampo da, guys. Lampo 75.
I'll get you like
Let's go. Strength up, boy. Strength up. Yeah, guys, ito drone della fucking si drone kami della pose kakano sila a police ka do watch police ka drone
say valilat
oh yung boy let's go on to 75 guys 75 Almost 75, okay. Very bad guys, very bad time. Oh shit, wrong button. Very bad guys, very bad. And very bad. Oh shit, easy level up guys. Almost 75. Almost 75 level. Ang fight ko si Don. Okay guys, tigit na was yung plan hat. Tigit na yung plan. Ulta na inadid yung fighting game ko. Ulta na dahil dito fight ko ang overlay fight ko. Bro, I don't want to fight. I come in peace, bro. I come in peace. Don't come near me because Bro, I just told you I'm not coming to fight you, bro. Just leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone, bro. I don't come to fight, bro. No. Oh, you want to fight? Okay. Let me go. Let me fight you, nigga. You want to fight? If you want to fight, bro, come here, bro. Come here, bro. I want some fighting me, bro. Come. You don't want to fight me, bro. You don't want to fight me. You're gonna push me out, bro. You're gonna push me out. Okay, we have 17 now, guys. Let's go punch some some stuff there. Just punch it. Oh, let's set the fire of breaking a wall down, bro. Look at the set the fire if I punch it. Oh, damn, bro. Come on, bro. Oh no, okay. Use English. Use of it. The last minute English. Oh shit, that's easy. So easy. Okay, diamond. Okay, let's just start the bit. Okay. Ini guys, ini tangan terus. Okay. Let's go. Take some glass. We're almost there. Oh, let's go with it. Let's go with it. Kita kena trying ura sa shit, guys. Oh, no. We're not doing that, bro. We're not doing that. Leave me alone. Why don't you understand? Leave me alone. I just want to...
I just want to tell you. Leave me alone, bro.
Oh, yeah, possibly. I'm just here to level up.
Leave me alone.
$81, bro. $81. Let's go. I think there's enough time though. Level 2. Stage 3. Letter. I ate that. Let's go to the rubber. That rubber, bro. Let's go to grass. I ate that grass, bro. I'm the goat. I ate that grass. Wood. It's a challenge. A store atau better challenge. Glass, bro. I'm gonna eat this glass, bro. Look at the damage, bro. I'm not ready for that, though. The bricks. Not yet. That's all for today, guys. You see, I'm just gonna leave it here. So if you guys can see it, I'm gonna leave it at level 83. Level 84. I'm gonna leave it there. And until next time, we're gonna be ready for the trick show. Peace out.